Hi everybody,
I'm Noor and I'm daughter.
I am Sarojit and I am father.
So today we're going to do a new and exciting thing.
Yeah, this is a fun activity. So today what we are going to do, we will learn. We will show you that what we have learned. We learned the pronunciation of a word, and after that we try to learn another word in which the pronunciation of that particular word we learned first is coming. So the word is, can you
Pass.
can you pronounce it?
Pass.
So it is pass. So there are few
Key
things we
points.
key points which we learnt about this word. First thing is there's a P consonant which is at the beginning. So it is an aspirated consonant. When we pronounce P in American pronunciation, you have to aspirate. Aspiration means you have to blow some air. So it's not like when we say pa in Hindi, it's like pa, pa. And the another uh, key point is in American English, it is pronounced as pass. It is distinguished from the British English where we pronounce this word as pass. So in British we pronounce it as pass, but since we are lover of American pronunciation, we pronounce it as pass.
So now the exciting thing, we're going to take that word and do more words out of it. So let's start.
Should I? Or you are?
You can start.
Okay. So the next word is passage. So pass and then H. Passage.
So the next word is passenger.
Mhm. Passenger. So, and another word is passport. The thing which has to be taken care of here, we have to stress pass, and the another the syllable like port, it is unstressed. So we have to say passport instead of saying passport. We would say passport.
So the next two words are quite similar. They're password and passcode,
Yeah,
which we put on our phones or computers.
yeah, password and passcode. These are things which you do to lock your computer or your laptop or your mobile phone. And this is what I do when I want to lock my phone so that my sweet little daughter
I am
should not
not
go.
sweet. I am not sweet.
So my little daughter, so she is not little too. So my daughter will not use my phone. So I lock my phone with some password or some passcode.
I already know all your passwords and passcodes. So now the next word is all yours.
The next word is passable. So passable, like if someone asks me, how's your English? Is it good or is it bad? Then I mostly reply that it is passable. It's not that good or it's not that bad, but it is passable.
So it's like middle.
Somewhat like that.
So the next word in this, all of these other words, we put the stress on has. But now in these words, we're putting it on the first one, bypass and underpass.
Yeah, bypass, underpass, not bypass or underpass. It is bypass, underpass. But the next word, in the next word, the stress is on the second syllable, the pass syllable, our key pronunciation word. So it is surpass, surpass. And now after this, there is a time for bonus word, which will be given by Noor.
The bonus word is capacity.
Yeah, capacity. So as you can recognize that here it's in the middle we have pass, capacity, and I used to pronounce it as capacity. That was my bad pronunciation.
Indian pronunciation.
No, I will not say that Indian pronunciation. I'm bad with pronunciation. So it was its correct pronunciation is capacity, but I used to pronounce it as capacity. That was wrong, and I'm improving it bit by bit.
So as you can see, capacity, the actual spelling of pass is not used.
Yeah, that's it. Also distinguishing factor. The sound is being used, but there's no pass. But we say capacity.
This
Mhm.
is one of the points that English
She's
is a
intelligent.
gift.
I told you, she's intelligent. Hmm.
So this is the one of the points how English is so hard. The spellings are different and the pronunciations are also different. So this is all we learned today. We will come back with another video super soon. Till then, please like, subscribe, and share, and click on that notifications bell so you can be notified and be the first to watch new posted videos like this. Bye bye!
Bye. Give us lots of thumbs up and lots of thumbs up and lots of love. Bye.